The last step in this system, like dislike system, is just not to allow both of them are active at the same time. So we can do this with certain function to do that job. So in the like, for example, what I do here, if the like is there, then what I do, just delete it, which is basically like I am disabling it, and then I will set it to disable. And then after that, if it is not, then I will go immediately here, and then I will add the like, and then I will enable it. I want to do also here something called this disable. What I want to disable here, basically dislike. Disable dislike. So I want the dislike button to be disabled. So let's do this function. And inside this function, basically what I want to do is very simple thing. It's just to delete it from there, right? So it will be dislike, and in the dislike, basically I will do the same thing that I remove from dislikes, or from from dislike. So I'll go and then put the statement, same thing like when I remove it from dislike. So I'll go to this, I think we wrote this code before. So from dislike, I'll copy this code here. So I remove this user from dislike, plus also I want to make the dislike should be also false. So dislike should be false. Okay, and then another one also will make this is for dislike. And then what we'll do also for the reverse for dislike, when I do everything, also here I want just to kick off disable like, and then I will create another one for this job as well, disable like. And then where is I'm disabling the dislike, sorry, it will be here. So I'm removing it from the like. It's just reversing. I know it's kind of difficult, but it's basically, it will remove disable like, means it will remove it from like, disable from dislike to remove it from dislike, and so on. And also this should be false. Let's go and try now and see everything's okay. Let's set up, I will remove database, refresh. So you see, can try this way, and then likes as well. So let's go and now refresh and see. Now we are clean, nothing is there. So I like this video and then I dislike, that's fine. But let's see now, I like the video and dislike the video is not happening. It will remove this one from this way, from the like. So if I reverse again, it's working fine. So I can like or dislike, I cannot do at the same time. So now only remaining one thing basically is just we can create another user and just try to do the same thing to check whether this is able or not, I mean from the other user. So we can open this in new code igniter, and then we can say youtube-clone, and let me register one user offline. Now I have registered with another user just to show you how it works. So enable to do access that channel, I will go to the the channel name, and then once I access the videos for the other user, I will go here. Of course I'm not enabling this yet, so I will say okay, 1. So if I go to the other user, which is Ahmed, I click on this, see now it is not blue, but there is 1. So if I click, so there is blue and there is 2. So it's, if I go now to the other browser, the other screen, and see, refresh it, so see it is 2 and blue because I like this video too. So again, if it is, for example, dislike, 1 1. So if I go here, it is also 1 1. So it's working fine, the style is working fine. So this is a very simple like and dislike system.